Heading up north?
They have a party out there. They have
Hey, how are you guys? What happened to the guy? Police car. Rick. Definitely they don't have enough police over there. Toronto police was not, if they were watching film mission, they were not ready. There's hardly any police here.
Yeah, I was supposed to go. Madam is up.
Going to be late? Are you Persian? Yeah. You look great. Thank you. Good luck. In the house. Woohoo! Gorgeous. Does have anything to say? Are you excited? We're going to win there. Go to the World Series.
Oh, yeah.
Last time that happened.
Oh, yeah. Excited.
Excited. Thank you. Ball.
Go Jays, baby.
I'm just here hanging out. There you go.
That's Cusco.
Woohoo!
Yeah!
We did it. We did it.
MSV, let's go!
All right. Woo!
Let's go, Blue!
Who's in there?
Huh?
Who's in there?
We're trying to clear the Canadian.
Firework in the sky. Fireworks in front of the cops? What's the matter with you guys? My God, you guys gotta do that behind the building. What's the matter with you guys? Allegedly, been firing some the ticket for allegedly firing. Roughly.
I can't tell if I hear. I'm not too sure to be honest with you.
That's good. Yeah, you guys shouldn't be flying.
In the air. Wasn't that no cars, nothing?
Really? That? Yeah, but he can't do anything. He's just saying.
Nobody has a job.
How much is the ticket?
Like 300.
All right, guys, take care. I'm gonna head out. Be cool.
All right.
Cool. Fireworks. Yeah, well, you know, firing fireworks in this area. If you're not experienced, I would stay somewhere clear. But if you're, then this be easy for fireworks. All right, go. Kind of driving we want to see in Toronto. Woohoo! Well, the cops are busy ticketing fireworks people. Let's go check out the subway, see what the. You guys done for to the subway? I'm trying to follow the crowd. All right. It's the homeless area next to this super expensive hotel. Okay, thank you. Thank you, guys. All right, so Young Line. You want to be young? Go to the Young Line. Those guys are causing. There's hardly anybody here on the platform. Oh, it's pretty quiet here. We're gonna go down that square and see what kind of. I think out of there was only about 50 of them. There were maybe 150. Went home right away. Yes, those guys look at trouble. Hardly any. Said out of the how many people watching the game? Probably maybe I don't know 50. I don't know 150, 200 people jumping up and down. The rest. All right, where are we?
I don't know when the next thing's coming. Hopefully soon.
Is it?
You just have to guess. You gotta feel the vibe. Does it feel
Did you guys?
what is it? I don't know.
I was filming their rocket.
What else? I got other stuff to do.
Nice.
I'm busy. I got other.
Play. Who do they play?
What is the sport?
It's baseball.
The most out of shape.
I'm gonna film. Do you know who they were playing? Sorry. Do you know who the Blue Jays were playing? Blue Jays playing. See, he doesn't. Seattle is.
Bro, I live in BC.
Oh.
And now I'm back on here. It's you make bad decisions. You make bad ideas.
Now you're back here?
To it now.
Yeah.
What if they see you already comment? Like,
What?
The baseball players is because it's a man with a job.
Man with a what?
It's a man with a job.
Isn't it?
All the craziest people.
I lived in New York.
It's nice there.
I used to work there and I came here and got. Did you ever miss the city?
I do always.
Good, yeah, watch my stuff. Thank you. Let's get on a train somewhere and go. Everybody's quiet. You gotta knock on the door off the train. Just walk, see. What can find this way? attention, everybody. How about that win, huh? I love it. He said, screw you. He said, screw you.
Clear up the doors.
Nobody cares. Bit of a jog up the train. Wow, this train is moving. So we're gonna go.
Next station.
We're gonna go check out. Go to Dundas Square, and then head to the base. Lead down the tracks. And at this point, Dundas Square. We're gonna be here about a few days left on the platform. Madam. Nobody else to wave to. And we're in that tunnel. Catch you guys in the next one. All right. Look at this. Dundas Square. What time is it? 1 o'clock. Oh, well. Seriously, guys. We're in everything. This is Yonge Street. This guy is doing a little bit of a... Hey. Yeah. The only of us, nobody else.
That's why we come this way.
Do you know that guy is like, yeah, that's it? What's that?
It's a very famous
It's a
toy.
very popular toy.
Oh, that's good. Yes.
There was earlier.
Oh, you came here? Yeah.
I came-
This is, I was here back in 92 and this...
Disappointed.
I know.
It's very popular. They have a lot of different colors.
Nice. All right. I know. Around here. This is the infamous Dundas Square. Looking south on Yonge Street and looking north. There's no stunts, nobody. The 3 cop cars. Usually there's no cop cars at all during the... That's it. The famous win. Everybody who was supporting the team. Hopefully together, everybody's so dilapidated and the garbage can. Oh, that's okay. Anyway, so thanks for watching this Blue Square at 1 o'clock in the morning.